Alna Rose, Lakshmi Nanda, Ashik, Fagad. I'm seeing you after a long time. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
What happened to you? Why were you not coming?
Complete. Phone was complete.
Okay. Okay, children. So the last previous question was angles in a semicircle is a right angle. Angle in a semicircle is a right angle, isn't it? Isn't it, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So it is the last one. So good afternoon to all.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay. So next one is cyclic quadrilateral. Cyclic, not psychic. Cyclic quadrilateral. Okay, check the spelling. Next one is cyclic quadrilateral. Cyclic quadrilateral. Cyclic quadrilateral. Cyclic quadrilateral means a quadrilateral whose all the vertices are on the circle. Okay, I'll write the definition. A quadrilateral ABCD, a quadrilateral ABCD, a quadrilateral ABCD is called cyclic. Cyclic if all the four vertices of it lie on a circle. A quadrilateral is called cyclic quadrilateral. See, children, how can you recognize a cyclic quadrilateral, children? In a circle, if you draw a quadrilateral like this, what can you tell about the vertices? What can you tell about the vertices, children? Where are the vertices? A, B, C, D. Where these vertices lie? See, children, look at here. Where are these four vertices? How many vertices are there for a quadrilateral?
4.
4. And these four vertices are on the circle. Okay, children. These four vertices are the points on the circle. Clear? Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so ABCD is known as cyclic quadrilateral. This is a cyclic quadrilateral. If all the four vertices lie on the circle.
Ma'am, can you show the slide?
Yes. Okay, if you finish it, you tell me. Hello, children. Shall I raise it?
Yes, ma'am.
And next one is based on the cyclic quadrilateral. Next theorem is theorem 11. In between one theorem 10 is there. That is not there for you. It is not relevant. Okay, children. It is theorem 11 based on cyclic quadrilateral. Okay. The sum of either pair of the sum of either pair of opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degree. The sum of either pair of opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degree. Okay, children, this theorem tells us that, stop writing, let me explain it, after that you can write. This theorem tells us that angle A plus angle C means the opposite angles. Can you recognize the opposite angles? Can you recognize the opposite angle, children? Opposite angle is angle A and angle C. Okay, when you add this angle A plus angle C, you will get 180 degree. So this is a speciality of cyclic quadrilateral. Similarly, if you take the other one, if you take the other angles, other pair, opposite pair, that is angle B plus angle D, when you add, you will get the same 180 degree. This is the important property of cyclic quadrilateral. Did you understand? Did you understand, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So when you add the opposite angles, you will get 180 degree. So how can you recognize a cyclic quadrilateral? Cyclic quadrilaterals, all the four vertices will be on the circle. Okay? And speciality is that angle A plus angle C. When you add, you will get 180 degree. And opposite angles, other pair also, when you add, you will get the same result. Clear, children? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am. Okay, children? Okay? Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And next, last theorem, it is theorem 12, is the converse of this. Okay. Converse means if a quadrilateral's opposite pair sum is 180 degree, it is known as a cyclic quadrilateral, converse of the theorem. Okay, it is theorem 12. Theorem 12. Theorem 12. So write theorem 12, children. Theorem 12 is the converse of the previous theorem. Converse means reverse. If the sum of a pair of, if the sum of a pair of, if the sum of a pair of opposite angles of a quadrilateral is 180 degree. Quadrilateral is 180 degree. Then the quadrilateral is cyclic. Then the quadrilateral is cyclic. Reverse of it. No proof for all this, but just study it, only that. Sriram, morning you were not there. Sriram, what happened?
Ma'am, morning my sister was also having class. She was having exam.
Okay. Let me take that attendance, children. 1 minute. Ebin Thompson, Alnaros, Ahlam, Anjali, Arun Bhaskar, Ashit Joshi,
Present, ma'am.
Adulya. Yes. Bastin, Dominic, Elsa, Emerin, Gauri, Gautam, Jerlin, Jesslyn, Justin, Karthik, Kshetra, Lakshmi, Melita, Revu, Said, Sania, Shania, Sean, Sovel, Sriram, Swadi. Okay, absentees are Ananda Krishna, morning he was there. Anthony Max is absent. Devasena is absent. Fagad is present, was present. I don't know where he has gone. Minha is absent. Srihari is absent. Okay, children. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this is the last theorem, children. Cyclic quadrilateral. Okay, how can you recognize cyclic quadrilateral? How can you recognize a cyclic quadrilateral? Tell me. Hello. What is cyclic quadrilateral? How can you recognize a cyclic quadrilateral? Cyclic. Tell.
If all the four
Vertices
vertices
will be
of it lies on the circle.
circle. Very good, Ashik. And what is the property used here in cyclic quadrilateral? Property, opposite angles, sum will be 180 degree. Clear, children? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Ashik. So now we will move to the questions. All the questions are very important to find the angles, to prove something. So use this theorem 12 theorems we are proving. So it is question number 1. Okay. two circles intersect at 2 points. 2 circles intersect at 2 points. At 2 points, A and B. A and B. AD and AC are AD and AC are diameters. Diameters to the 2 circles. To the 2 circles. To the 2 circles. Prove that B lies on the line segment DC. B lies on the line segment DC. There are 2 circles. Okay. When you finish drawing, tell me. Okay, children, finish drawing. Okay, children, finish it. Okay. So, children, what we have to prove is, hello, are you listening? Nobody is responding.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This B lies on the line segment CD. So, well. Okay. B lies on the line segment. B lies on the line segment CD. Okay, children. That means we have to prove that this DC is a line segment. See, children, what is the speciality of a line segment? What is the angle of a line segment? Can you tell the angle of a line segment?
Zero angle.
What? No. The angle of a
180.
line segment?
180.
180 degree. So we have to prove that this angle is 180 degree. See, children, we have to prove that that angle is 180 degree. That is enough. Clear? Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So there is one thing when you start the proof, you have to write that join A, B. Means it is not there in the figure. We are joining A, B. Means we are meeting A and B. Join A and B. Join A, B. Did you understand, children?
Yes,
Join
ma'am.
A, B. Now listen. Listen, children. Wait. Hello, listen. It is given that this AD is the diameter. AD is the diameter. Okay? Are you listening?
Yes, ma'am.
AD is the diameter. What can you tell about this angle?
Right angle.
Yes, very good. Excellent answer. So, if this is 180 degree, if this is diameter, this angle will be 90 degree because angle in a semicircle is
90 degree.
90 degrees. So same here also. There is AC is the diameter. So what about this angle?
90 degree.
So you got both the angles 90 degree. So what is the sum here?
180.
180 degree. Okay. So very easy to prove. Angle ABD equal to 90 degree. Reason you can write angle in a angle in a semicircle. Angle in a semicircle. And angle ABC. Angle ABC equal to same 90 degree. Reason is same. Angle in a semicircle. Angle in a semicircle. So when you add both angle ABD plus angle ABC equal to 90 plus 90 equal to 180 degree. Therefore, DBC is a line. DBC is a line. That is B lies on the line segment DC. On the line segment DC. B lies on the line segment DC. Okay, children. Finish. Okay, children. Nobody is answering. Shall I give the next one?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So next one is a long one, but it is very easy. Okay. Sometimes you won't get enough time for finishing it, but you write it. Okay. It is to second question. Prove that the quadrilateral formed by quadrilateral formed by the quadrilateral formed by the internal angle bisectors of any quadrilateral is cyclic. There is a related figure, children. Okay, children, finish drawing. Okay, it is a long question. I won't get the enough time for proving this. Okay. So children, some more minutes. So morning, I did not take the attendance. Morning, who was absent? Do you remember?
No, ma'am.
Ebin Thompson was there.
Yes, ma'am.
Ebin Thompson was there. Ahla Fatima was there morning.
Yes, ma'am.
Alna Rose. Morning. Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Anda
ma'am.
Krishna was present in the morning. Yes. Anjali Priya present. Anthony Maxi was absent. Arun Bhaskar, you were there in the morning?
Yes, ma'am.
Ashik was there. Adulya was there. Bastin?
No, ma'am.
Yes. Devasena. Dominic?
Yes, ma'am, I was there.
Yes. Elsa? Elsa was there in the morning? Elsa?
Yes, ma'am.
Emerin?
Yes, ma'am.
And Fagad was absent. Gauri Nandana was there. Gaudam CJ was not there. Morning, I did not see him. Isn't it Gaudam? Gaudam gone? He was not there now.
Ma'am, I was there.
Yes. Jerlin, I saw. Jesslyn, I saw. Then Joel was not there. Justin was there. Karthik was there. Kshetra was there. Lakshmi Nanda?
Yes, ma'am.
Melita?
Yes, ma'am.
Minha? Minha was there? Minha is absent. Devu was there. Syed? Syed was Sania. Yes. Shania, both Sean, Sowell. Sriram was absent. Srihari was absent. Saudi was present. Okay. Okay, children. So shall I wind up now? That question will continue in the next day.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
So thank you, children.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Bye. Study well. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
These 12 theorems are there that you study well and come. And the important one is that morning which I took was the important one in this chapter. Okay,
Yes,
children.
ma'am.
Thank you.